All right, so these are the answers to the problems, and most of them are pretty simple. It's just, big arc minus small arc divided by 2 to get to the angle measure. And then over here, same thing, big arc minus small arc divided by 2, get the angle measure. This one was tricky. The way that I solved this one is I drew the perpendiculars on the two tangents, LM and MN, and we learned about it a couple of chapters ago that the perpendicular line to the tangents form 90-degree angles. So this is 90 and that's 90. And then what else did I do? Okay, we know that MN and LN are congruent, right? Because they're both the same distance away from the circle, right? So LM is congruent to MN. You take any point outside the circle and you draw the tangents; they're going to be congruent. So then this line that I drew right here is going to split that angle 50 into half because of that fact. So then that's going to be 25 degrees. That's going to be 25 degrees. So then using triangle angle sum theorem, I found that this angle here is 65 degrees and 65 degrees, which then tells me that LCN is 130 degrees, which then tells me that the arc LN is 130 degrees. And then that tells me that the arc LN, the major arc LN, is 260, right? Just because it all adds up to 360 degrees. So then finally I had the ln major minus ln minor divided by 2 is equal to the angle measure. So ln major, wait, what was I asking? What was I looking for? Oh, I'm sorry. No, the question wasn't asking for the angle measure, was it? Because we already given the angle measure. The question here was asking for the measure of ln, and I'm not sure if they're asking for ln major or minor, but I'm assuming it's going to be ln minor, this one here. And that one's 130 degrees. So let me go ahead and fix that. Is measure of angle ln minor is equal to 130 degrees. Okay, and I'm going to cross that one out. And then this one over here is pretty straightforward, right? We have the bigger arc, and then we don't have the smaller arc, but we can find it by doing 360 minus 80 minus 100 minus 110. It'll give us a smaller arc, which is 70. So then we found the answer. Anyhow, those are the answers there.